Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Samsung A30 camera failed problem. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings, scroll down and go to About Phone. Then select Software Information and tap Build Number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back, open developer options, search for Don't Keep Activities and make sure it is turned off. If the issue continues, press and hold the camera app, tap the info icon, open Storage, then tap Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. Confirm the deletion. Next, go back and open Camera App Settings, scroll to the bottom, tap Reset Settings and confirm. This restores the camera's default configuration and can resolve software-related issues. If the camera still shows the error, restart your Samsung phone. Once the phone turns back on, open the camera app and check if the problem has been fixed. That's it for this video. Thanks!